I got another quick little soldering project here. This is APC battery backup bank, and the batteries were dead, so instead of ordering another $400 unit from APC, I replaced the batteries. Batteries Plus carries the batteries, and so I got this. Unfortunately, they have a special little tab here, and it broke. So I went to my local electronics parts and bit store, and I got this combiner to combine these two guys. Just gonna put this normal one back on here. This is a new one. Throw that on, and then I'll combine them to this. It's two 24-volt in parallel, so 4 batteries to battery bank 1. This is parallel here to this battery bank, so series. These two are series. You do 24 volts here, 24 volts here, so combined 24 volts and 10 amp hours. Alright, I'm just going to solder this on here. It'll take like 2 seconds. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, but it's very difficult. Alright, so we are heating right now. Oh boy. Heating right now, and when it's hot, the solder will be sucked in the joint. It is not hot yet. You can just clamp these things, but I found that if you solder them, they are much more reliable. I like to solder them. Alright, I had to stick solder in there, and it looks like that. That's out of focus. Shiny, shiny, very, very hot joint. And as soon as it dulls a little, like that. Yep, there you go. Now you know it's on there, so it's not going to come off. I'm going to wire these guys back up. Alright, I got it wired back up. A little bit of heat shrink tubing. That little part is in there. It's just like that. And put a little heat shrink over that positive lug too, just to keep this from shorting out. I doubt it will. There's nothing in here, but and they didn't make these cables any longer than they needed to. It just barely fits. So APC just had these taped together with a big sticker, basically. So I just taped them together with some heavy-duty packing tape, and it works great. And everything looks good. I'm reading 26 volts, which isn't bad. These haven't been charged up yet, so we're going to throw it in the power supply now. Everything looks good. That's how you fix one.